Find the derivative of y equals ln e. So A is y equals the ln of ex plus 1. First thing that we have to realize is what we are working with. We have the ln of something, and the ln of something means that we are going to use the chain rule, but we're not going to write out the chain rule. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say the derivative of y equals the ln of something is 1 over that something multiplied by the derivative of that. And the derivative of ex is ex plus 1 is just e to the power x. That is my answer. I can't simplify that any further. Please do not cancel that and that. This is part of a term. Yeah, there's more than one term, so you can't cancel that ex and that ex. So that is as simple as your answer gets. Okay, B. Biggest mistake with B, y equals 3 over e to the power x plus 1. People think that this is a quotient rule because e to the power x is underneath the line. We only use quotient rules if there's more than one x above or there's an x above and underneath the line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep y as it is, and I'm just going to rewrite this as 3 e to the power x plus 1 to the power negative 1. Now I'm going to apply the chain rule, which means that the derivative of y equals 3 to the power something, and this is the power something. Okay, so 3 to the power something is the minus 1 goes, sorry, this thing to the power negative 1. The negative 1 goes to the front, it becomes negative 3. The thing inside stays as it is. Minus 1 becomes minus 2. And I'm going to multiply by the derivative of this. And the derivative of this thing is e to the power x. So I'm now going to write it with positive exponents, which means it's going to be negative 3 above the line, because that negative 3 is not to the power negative 2, it's only the negative 3, times e to the power x, divide by, and this thing is to the power minus 2. This thing is to the power minus 2, so that goes underneath the line as e to the power x plus 1 squared. We can't simplify that any further. You don't want to multiply this out. You never multiply the numerator out. So this is then your final answer.